Hello, my name is Anna. Welcome. Today I have here Burda magazine, the last issue of 2023. Let's flip it through together. The magazine begins with Spanish-inspired fashion. The first model is midi dress in red satin and black lace. Next to it we have a red blouse with puffed sleeves, black lace applique at the neckline. Here we have two jacquard jackets. The jacket on the right has a lace motif. The jacket on the left has an unusual clasp. Two dresses. The dress on the left is a jersey dress with a carmen neckline with flounce. The dress on the right is a floor-length crepe dress with intricate ruffles on the sleeves and hem. The jersey dress on the left features a deep neckline and asymmetrical ruffles. On the right is a flamenco-style viscose blouse with stand-up collar and puffed sleeves with flounces. The sleeves are lined with a lace ribbon. Viscose midi dress with draping at the waist. Flared miniskirt in polyester with inseam pockets and a narrow waistband. Here the magazine invites us to sew Christmas ornaments and gifts out of leftover fabric. Here is a sheath dress with mock pockets and scalloped seams that look like a bolero. There are even a few men's fashions in this issue. Men's cardigan made of wool knit fabric. A miniskirt that you won't be called in because it's made of quilted warm fabric. There are zipper slits on the sides. On the right page is a faux fur blossom. Quilted cape jacket with high stand collar and deep pockets. Rib knit sweater with stand-up collar and wide sleeves. Polyester midi dress with lots of little darts. A denim dress. Men's tweeded jacket with hood and quilted lining. Women's wool hooded jacket with leather trim around the edges. And here's another version of a men's wool boucle jacket cut like a shirt, with cuffs and shirt collar, slash pockets and quilted lining. Fleece coat with raglan sleeves and edge pockets. Pleated polyester sweatshirt with tapered inset front and back. Flared pants from leather substitute. Polyester midi dress with draped waist, pleats and buttons on the sleeves. On the left page is a viscose satin blouse with a concealed button placket and elastic at the bottom of the sleeves. On the right, cotton bloomer pants. Dress in viscose crepe with a belt, a deep neckline at the back, and one-piece scarf along the neckline. Flared pants again, but in velvet. There is a knit suit on the left here. Cardigan and skirt with elastic waistband. On the right there is a cotton blend coat with a cape effect and large slash pockets. And the final two models. Jersey sweatshirt with the ruffles in the sleeve seams and the side seams. Leatherette dress with shortened sleeves. And let's take a look at all the magazine models. I wish you all a happy, beautiful, and fashionable New Year 2024. Happy holidays to everyone, and see you in the new year.